Hello, my name is Dr. Perry Holbrook and I teach AP Music Theory. We learn things like this is not a hashtag, it's a sharp. So this is my second hour class, and basically I look at all my students and say, welcome to 1725, because we're going to study classical music theory and basically some of the rules of composition set down by J.S. Bach. So, you may be asking, what is AP Music Theory? There is an oral component to the class. That is, my students have to answer questions based upon listening to music. We also have to do sight singing. That's right, every student sings in here. We also have to do something called dictation, where I play something on the piano and they have to learn how to be able to write it down using only their ears. There's a non-oral component to this class as well. Students have to be able to answer questions based upon musical examples. For example, I hand them a score and I ask them questions and they have to be able to answer it just looking at music. We do analysis. We do what's called part writing. We'll do some elementary composition. And that essentially makes up the AP Music Theory curriculum. We've been asked to talk about our grading scale. During the fall, oral homework is 20% of a student's grade, non-oral homework is 30%, and you can see quizzes and tests 15 and 20%. And finally, there is the final exam. It's worth 15% of your grade. In conclusion, I love teaching this class. It's my favorite time of the day. I get the best band, chorus, and orchestra students, as well as a smattering of students that do other things like play the piano. If you need to get in touch with me, please don't hesitate. Use email. It's perry.holbrook@cobbk12.org.